What a VPN actually hides, most people don't know. So you've heard about VPNs. Maybe you're already using one, or maybe you're thinking about it. Either way, there's a good chance you believe a VPN does more than it actually does, or you don't fully understand what it's really protecting you from. This is important because if you rely on a VPN for the wrong reasons, you might be leaving yourself exposed without even knowing it. Let's break down what the VPN actually hides and what it doesn't. Let's start with the good news. A VPN does a solid job at hiding several key things. First, your IP address. Every device connected to the internet has one. It reveals your approximate location and can be used to track your activity across websites. A VPN replaces your real IP with one from the VPN server. Websites and services you visit see the VPN's address, not yours. Second, your browser activity from your internet provider. Without the VPN, your provider can see every website you visit, every search you make, and roughly how long you spend there. With the VPN, all they see is that you're connected to a VPN server. The actual content of your traffic is encrypted and unreadable to them. Third, your data on public networks. This is one of the most practical benefits. When you connect to a public Wi-Fi, anyone on the same network with the right tools can potentially intercept your traffic. A VPN encrypts that data, making it useless to anyone trying to snoop. Fourth, your location. Because your IP address is masked, websites and services think you're located wherever the VPN server is. This is why people use VPNs to access content that's restricted in their country. Now here's where most people get it wrong, and this part is critical. A VPN does not make you anonymous. Let that sink in. If you're logged into Google, Facebook, or any other account, those platforms still know exactly who you are and what you're doing. A VPN hides your IP. It does not hide your identity when you've already handed it over. A VPN does not hide your activity from the VPN provider itself. This is a big one. When you use a VPN, you're essentially shifting from your trust from your internet provider to the VPN company. If that company keeps logs of your activity, and some do, your data is still being recorded. This is why choosing a VPN with the verified no logs policy is absolutely essential. A VPN does not protect you from malware or viruses. If you click on a malicious link or download infected software, a VPN will not save you. It encrypts your connection. It does not scan your files or block threads. You still need proper security software for that. A VPN does not hide your activity from websites that use cookies and tracking scripts. Even with the VPN, advertisers can track you through browser cookies, fingerprinting, and login data. If you want stronger protection against that, you need additional tools like a privacy-focused browser or ad blocker. And finally, VPN does not protect data you voluntarily share. If you fill out a form, post something online, or log into an account, that information goes where you send it. VPN can't protect you from yourself. Here's the uncomfortable truth. A lot of VPN marketing is misleading. Companies promise total anonymity and complete protection, and people believe it. Then they feel safe doing these things online that they shouldn't, thinking they're invisible. They're not. A false sense of security is something more dangerous than no security at all. If you think a VPN covers everything, you stop thinking critically about your other habits. And that's where the real vulnerabilities creep in. Use a VPN, but use it with clear understanding of what it does. It's a powerful tool for hiding your IP, encrypting your connection, and protecting your data on untrusted networks. That alone makes it worth using. But combine it with other good habits. Use strong, unique passwords. Enable two-factor authentication. Be careful what you click on. Use a browser that respects your privacy. Think before you share personal information online. A VPN is one layer of protection, not a complete shield. The most secure people online don't rely on just one tool. They build habits. Understanding what the VPN actually does and doesn't do puts you ahead of the majority of internet users. Most people either ignore privacy completely or put all their trust in a single solution. Neither extreme serves you well. Know your tools, use them correctly, and keep asking questions. In the next video, we'll tackle something a lot of people wonder about. Do you actually need a VPN at home? The answer might surprise you. Stay sharp, stay protected, subscribe,